Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Data Engineer. So today we will see one of the topic in Python. So what is the difference between range and xrange? Okay, so sometimes this question is asked in interview. What is the difference between range and xrange? Okay, so let us see the scenario and example where we have to use range and xrange and what is the basic difference. Okay, so range and xrange both are used to generate sequence of number, but work slightly different depending on the which Python version we are using. Okay, although xrange is discontinued in Python version 3. So if you are using version 3, you will get the discontinuation of xrange, but in earlier version range and xrange are different. Okay, so what is the range? So range basically used to generate a number. Okay, it is a generator of number. And so what is the basic difference between in this range and xrange? Both generate the number, but in case of range in Python version 3, that does not store all value in memory at once. Suppose if you want to generate a number from 0 to 100. Okay, so what it will do, it will not store all the value in memory at once. Okay, so why? So because of this reason, that is more efficient. But in version 2, if you are using the range, what it will do, if you are generating the number, it will generate the number from 0 to 100 and store all value in the memory. So that is the basic difference. Okay, so in range Python 3, it will generate the number from 0 to 100, but it will not store value in the memory. Because of that, it will make more efficient. In earlier version, if you are using the range, it will, what it will do, it will generate the number, but it will store value in the memory. Okay, so this can be memory intensive for large range. Suppose if we have a range of like large number, then that time we will see there is a memory intensive for large number. Okay, so simple example. So this is a simple example for I in range 5. So what it will do, print I, it will generate a number from 0 to 4 because 5 is excluded. Okay, and let us consider xrange. Okay, so in Python 2, xrange return the xrange object which is generated like object that produce number on demand. Okay, how range works in Python 3. Okay, so example of xrange was example was I in range 5 and print I 0 1 2 3 and 5. Okay, so what is basic difference between them? Both are used to generate the number, but one is store everything in the memory and one will generate the number with the fly. Okay, so memory uses like range in Python 3 is more efficient because it generates the number on fly. Okay, it will not store the number. If you wanted to generate the number from 0 to 100, so it will not generate the number and store in the memory. It will generate the number on fly, where range in Python 2 and xrange in Python 2 both store the number in memory. So capability wise, xrange is specific to Python 3 and does not exist in Python 3, which I already told. Like Python 3, in Python 3 the xrange is discontinued. Okay, so Python 3 always use range for generating sequence of number in Python 3. If you are working with Python 2 and need more efficient for range, then consider the xrange instead of range. So for newer version Python 3 version, we don't have to like go with either range or xrange. But if you are using the earlier version in Python 2, so in that case, if you wanted some memory efficiency, then you can go with range or else go with the xrange. Okay, consider the xrange. Sorry for that. In Python 2 version, if you wanted memory efficiency, then go with xrange instead of range. So that is the basic difference between them. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.